What's up, y'all? 皆さん、こんにちは。アリです。ようこそ私の日本語チャンネル。To be doing some lesson notes, and this is a part of my new series that I got going on called Addie's Study Session. Yeah, we'll go with that. And this is not to like teach anybody anything. I am at beginner level 2, so I'm starting with the first lesson, and that lesson is existence verbs. I can't even read English. Existence verbs. Okay, so the sentence says, いつも誰と公園に行きますか? Which is, who always goes with you to the park? I want to say, my dog always goes. I could say I should say, 私の犬と行きます. So let's write that. Itsumo dare to koen ni ikimasu ka? Watashi no inu to ikimasu. Okay, so this says tokidoki tomodachi ue ni kaerimasu ka? Which is, does your friend always goes with you to your house? And it's like, no. So I want to say no, I go alone, but I forgot the word alone. Ie, comma, ka, eri, mas. And alone is, let's look, is hitori de. So hitori de. Yeah, to say I go alone. Which is saying, is there a dog at my house? And there isn't a dog at my house. So I could say, Ie inu ga imasen. Like, no, I don't have a dog. But the dog that do be here is not here at the moment. It is at a friend's house. So I could say, Ie watashi no inu ga tomodachi no ie, or yeah, I'll say ie for house. Ie ni imasu. What? I'll just write it. So this one says ie inu ga imasen. I don't have a dog. And then this one says ie watashi no neko ga tomodachi no ie ni imasu, which is no, my dog is at my friend's house. It is there at my friend's house. Inu ga imasen.
I don't have a dog.
Watashi no inu ga tomodachi no ie ni imasu.
My dog is at a friend's house.
Bizum. So now this is saying what is in your room. Maybe do to tansu to what's window? Madu. Beto to tansu to mado arimasu. Meaning a bed, freaking a dresser, God dang. Window is there. So this is asking me, do you go to work every day? I want to say yes. So what I should say here is mai ni chi go to ga arimasu. So I'm saying every day, or I should say, I could say, to make it a little bit high. Is that how you spell high? Yeah. High. So, hi. Hi. Mainichi shigoto ga arimasu. Yes, every day I have work. Last question. So, it says, Kino, doko ni imasu ka? Where were you yesterday? Where was I yesterday? I was at work. Shigoto ni imashita. Let's read off what we have. Itsumo dare to koe ni ikimasu ka? And then I wanted to say watashi no inu to ikimasu. Who always goes with you to the park? My dog goes. Tokidoki tomodachi ue ni kaerimasu ka? So I wanted to say, no, I go alone. We didn't know the word alone, or I didn't know the word alone. So boom, new vocabulary word, ie. So I'm saying no. So it says sometimes does your friend come home with you? And I'm saying no. Hitorire ka erimasu. So I'm saying no, I go alone. Uchi ni neko ga imasu ka? Do you have ichi ni inu ga imasu ka? Do you have a dog at your house? And I had two things to say. I could have said inu ga imasen, which is no, I don't have a dog. Or I could have said watashi no inu ga tomodachi no ie ni imasu, which means no, my dog is at my friend's house. Anata no hie ni arimasu ka? So what do you have in your room? I looked around my room and I have a beto. I hope that's how you spell bed. Beto to tansu to mado arimasu. I'm saying I have a bed, a dresser, and a window. And that's literally all I have in here. Mainichi shigoto ga arimasu ka? We had a long stretch of this one, but what I wanted to say is hi. Mainichi shigoto ga arimasu, meaning yes, I have work every day. Kino doko ni imashita ka? Yesterday, what imasu? What did you have? Where did you go? Where were you at? Where were you at yesterday? And yesterday I was at work, so shigoto ni imashita. This has been extensive verbs. So, I hope you guys got more of this than I got of this. I'll see you guys in the next study session. Jane.